stop valve for the cistern. I've got a leak on mine. This is a new one. I'm going to just fit a new one in, turn the water off, screw the valve off, take it off, put a new one on, job done. Tools required, one adjustable wrench, the shifting key, and we'll just take it off.
Okay, hold on. What are the other things?
That's just a bit of a washer.
PTFE tape.
PTFE tape, a bit of washer to go inside.
And what's the grease for?
And that's just a bit of silicone grease just to let it bed in.
Okay.
Rather than it going in dry.
Oh!
It's a wee tiny bit of water, I think. There we go. Then I just want to undo this one. Just going to be a pain. I'm going to go inside it. That's easy.
So that's you emptying the cistern.
So empty it. Take the top off, take the lid off. That'll just give us access to the, so I can hold the valve. Because it's want to rotate round. Still want to rotate round. There we go. Take that one out of the way. It's just as simple as that.
Well, let's have a look.
This is the old one, which is here. We'll just put a new washer in this one. I do like to just put a wee bit of silicone on them. This means it's not just getting in dry. Just get in there. Line up for that one.
Tell everyone why you're doing that.
Why I'm doing what? Well, I want that one off as well.
To replace it?
Yeah, so a little screwdriver will just pick that out.
The little screwdriver.
I'll get a little screwdriver, I'll just
hold on.
Take the old one out, put a new one in, connect it up.
I have to tell everyone why we're doing this, because the man that we bought the house off of, if anything went wrong, he just turned it off, he didn't fix it. So when we came here, the water and the electricity were all off and we didn't have a clue, and then of course you turn the water on and you have a problem. So every time we have something to do with plumbing, we change everything.
So that's basically it. That one there. Tighten that one up. Don't need to over tighten them, just tight. That's it. Water will be off at the moment, and then we'll turn the water on, check it, see if there's any drips, make sure it's good to go.
Okay, thank you, John.
You're welcome.